guys, welcome to the Free Energy channel, and today I'm going to start off with a little introduction on what I believe in as far as how direct current works, how alternating current works, and how they are so closely related to the word magnetism, and how close they could actually be to forming something known as free energy. And there's a whole bunch of details and stuff that I'll have down the road throughout these series of videos explaining these crazy theories that some people might not understand right off the bat. But if you are an open-minded person and you're willing to sit and listen and willing to learn something new, I'm not the type of person that likes to sit and argue over facts and details and sources and stuff like that. I just go by what I test, what I write down, and what I see. There's all kinds of people on YouTube that are trying to create free energy, and there's a lot of people that have done it. And in my mind, I definitely have seen a lot of inventions already that looks like they can be powered off nothing but magnetism alone. And I haven't been able to find any videos explaining how exactly those people are coming up with these ideas. But the meaning of this channel is to show you how exactly they could be producing these free energy devices. And I think it comes down just to very basics, and that's magnets. North and South pole. No different than a battery. It's got a positive, negative end. They both let off a polarity. A magnet lets off a north phase polarity, just the same as a south phase. But a lot of people think that they're the same, but that's where it confuses the whole idea of magnetism and electromagnetism. I think what people get confused by is just the turns of the coils alone inside of inductors, conductors, stuff like that. I believe batteries just let out nothing but negative magnets, negative South Pole magnets. I believe the positive end lets out nothing but positive North Pole magnets. And I believe that they can create natural alternating current, because that's what alternating current is, right? It's a oscillation, a negative positive oscillation wave, which would be like the same thing as, you know, shaking a magnet through one of those shake flashlights that would light up when you would turn them on after you shook it 1,000 times. That's another form of alternating current, but it's magnetism, magnetic alternating current. And I think, well, not think, I've actually been able to do it myself. You can create something known as perpetual motion off of magnetism. And if you guys are willing to sit and learn about it, I'm willing to answer any questions. If you guys have any sort of comments or details to throw in, feel free. I'm an open book source. I'm willing to learn anything, and I'm willing to teach anything. And whenever you see like advertisements pop up on my video, don't be afraid to just give them a click. It helps support the funding of the videos. It's going to also help support my ideas and the creations that I might be able to invent down the road. And it could also change the future of mankind. So, please, give it a chance. Let's do this. Peace.